Welcome to Queenstown, the adrenaline capital of New Zealand. Strap in for a roller coaster ride on the waters as we embark on an epic jet boat adventure with the iconic Big Yellow K-Jet. Prepare for heart-stopping 360-degree spins from the get-go. Let's take a moment to trace our thrilling path on this adventure. As illustrated by the map, our journey begins at the iconic Queenstown Wharf. From here, we steer into the expansive Lake Wakatipu, embracing the vast beauty that surrounds us. Heading forward, we make a sharp right turn, entering the flowing currents of the Kawarau River. The adventure intensifies as we then veer left, guiding us into the wild heart of the Shotover River, known for its stunning scenery and spirited waters. Our journey kicks off at the bustling Queenstown Wharf, where the engines of the mighty jet boat blast to life. As we shoot out of scenic Queenstown Bay, brace yourselves for high-speed action and our first series of thrilling 360-degree spins. Feel the rush as we spin and speed across the pristine waters of Lake Wakatipu, heading toward the dramatic landscapes where the Kawarau and Shotover Rivers meet. As we zip past breathtaking views of mountain peaks and exclusive lakeside homes, get a glimpse into the luxurious side of Queenstown's rich and famous. As we prepare to navigate the thrilling sequence ahead, it's important to remember the inherent risks that come with such high-speed water adventures. In 2019, a jet boat operating in Queenstown's Skipper's Canyon met with an accident against a wall, resulting in 9 injuries. Going further back, in 2009, a tragic incident occurred when a boat overturned on a swollen Kawarau River, leading to the loss of a woman's life and injuries to 5 others. These sobering reminders underscore the importance of safety measures and the expertise required to steer these powerful vessels. As we continue, let's acknowledge the skill and caution our jet boat driver employs to ensure a thrilling yet safe journey for everyone aboard. With the memories of those affected in our thoughts, we continue our journey, mindful of the fine balance between adventure and safety. Let's not only anticipate the skill and thrill, but also appreciate the measures taken to ensure our journey is not just exhilarating but also secure, ready for the challenge ahead. Let's witness the expertise of our boat driver as we navigate these thrilling passages, carrying with us a renewed respect for the journey and those who guide us through it. Hold your breath. We are now approaching a moment that truly tests the limits of thrill and skill. Ahead lie 2 bridges seemingly too close for comfort. Watch closely as we gear up for a maneuver that's all about precision and nerve. With its powerful engines and agile frame, can the jet boat make it through the narrow gap without a scratch? The anticipation builds and the heart races. This is the essence of adventure in Queenstown. Did you catch your breath? We just witnessed the boat skimming past 2 bridges, almost touching them. How did you feel watching that heart-stopping moment? The skill of the jet boat driver was truly on display, navigating at high speeds as though on a collision course with the concrete. The closeness was breathtaking, with the boat appearing to graze the bridges, leaving just a few meters to spare. This mix of relief and exhilaration is a true testament to the driver's expertise, guiding us through what seemed impossible. Reflecting on it, doesn't it leave you in awe of the adventure we're part of? Now hold on tight as we enter the Kawarau River, racing at speeds up to 95 kilometers per hour. We're weaving through islets, dodging embankments, and heading into the Shotover River's swift currents with more exhilarating spins. Prepare to be thrilled as the boat skims across waters so shallow they barely kiss its bottom. The excitement escalates with signature 360-degree spins executed with precision and flair. Each spin sends passengers into a frenzy of screams and laughter, their hearts racing with adrenaline. It's not just one, there are several, masterfully navigating through the narrowest of passages, narrowly avoiding sandbanks and sheer rock faces. The boat twirls on the water surface, each spin a perfect blend of exhilaration and expert control, leaving everyone breathless and begging for more. As the jet boat accelerates, slicing through the water with unmatched speed, we approach a moment that's as breathtaking as it is unique. To our right, the bank of the river comes into sharp focus. We're skimming close, so close that the details of the landscape leap into view. Each rock, each tree branch seems to reach out as if to touch the boat. The captain expertly tilts the craft, angling it in such a way that enhances our proximity to the bank, turning this segment of our journey into a thrilling dance with the natural world. The water, disturbed by our rapid passage, lashes at the bank, sending ripples that dance and shimmer in the sunlight. As we zip past, the scenery blurs into streaks of green and brown, a fleeting glimpse of the wild, untouched beauty that throngs the river's edge. It's a moment of exhilaration, where the roar of the engine melds with the rustle of leaves and the rush of the river against the shore, creating a symphony of sounds that captures the essence of adventure. This close encounter with the bank, a delicate maneuver that showcases the skill of our pilot and the agility of our jet boat, offers an unparalleled sense of speed and freedom. It's a reminder of the raw power of nature and the thrill of navigating it, a moment that leaves us with racing hearts and an insatiable desire for more adventures on the water. As our jet boat adventure continues, the dynamic waterscape around us brings new elements into view. Among the rippling waves and the vibrant natural scenery, we notice driftwood and dead tree trunks floating serenely in the water. These remnants of trees, shaped and smoothed by their journey through the water, add a touch of the untamed wilderness to our experience. The pilot, with an eye sharp as an eagle's, spots these natural obstacles from afar. His expertise and familiarity with the river's character shine through as he navigates the jet boat with precision and grace. Each movement of the steering wheel is deliberate, ensuring our passage is not only safe, but also seamlessly integrated with the flow of the river. As we dart past the driftwood and dodge the larger trunks, there's a palpable sense of respect for the river's power and unpredictability. The pilot's skill in maneuvering through these potential hazards is nothing short of impressive, turning what could be a moment of tension into an exhilarating part of our adventure. The ability to navigate these challenges with such expertise not only ensures our safety but also enhances our experience, offering us a first-hand look at the skill required to master these wild waters. It's a testament to the pilot's experience and the thrill of jet boating, making this moment a standout memory in our adventure-filled journey. Now we are in Shotover River. Famed globally, the Shotover River was recognized as one of the most gold-rich rivers. The discovery of gold at Arthur's Point in 1862 attracted a wave of prospectors, miners, and those dreaming of riches to Queenstown. The Shotover River isn't just a relic of the past, it's a vibrant hub of adrenaline-pumping activities. With its fierce currents and breathtaking gorges, the river has become a prime location for commercial whitewater rafting trips and jet boating rides, drawing thrill-seekers from all corners of the globe to the nearby tourist resort of Queenstown. Not far from Arthur's Point, a canyon swing site offers daredevils a different kind of thrill, swinging them into the vast open space above the river's dramatic landscape. The naming of the river itself carries a tale that spans continents and cultures. William Gilbert Rees, the first European to settle on the shores of Lake Wakatipu, named the river Shotover after his business partner George Gammie's English estate Shotover Park. Prior to Rees's arrival, the river was known by several names. Scottish pioneers Donald Angus Cameron and Angus Alphonse MacDonald called it Tummel as they passed through the area, while early gold miners referred to it as the Overshot. Yet it was Rees's choice, Shotover, that stood the test of time, marking the river with a name that echoed far beyond its banks. The Maori name for the river, Kimiakau, meaning looking for the coast, perhaps references the area as a route to the west coast in search of Punamu, highlighting the river's significance in both Maori culture and the gold rush era. As our jet boat revs up, leaving a frothy trail in the crystalline waters, we're not just retracing the routes once scoured by gold seekers. We're embarking on a thrilling chase through the river's most captivating terrains. The Shotover, with its unpredictable currents and sudden drops, promises an exhilarating ride, but it's the narrow passageways that truly test the skill of our captain and the spirit of adventure in our hearts. Approaching a particularly narrow channel, our jet boat hugs the riverbank, its engines roaring louder than the rushing waters. Here, the Shotover reveals its wild heart, threading through islands that dot its course like guardians of history. These small islands, which are remnants of the river's tumultuous shaping over millennia, create a labyrinth of natural obstacles, making our journey even more thrilling. As we zoom upstream, the proximity to the bank offers a unique perspective of the lush landscape. The trees, some so close they seem to dip their branches into the river as if to touch the cool waters, are silent witnesses to our adrenaline-fueled passage. The speed and maneuverability of our jet boat allow us to glide past these natural sentinels, so close that their leaves brush against the air in our wake. It's a dance of precision and speed, where nature and machine are in perfect sync. As our jet boat adventure draws to a close, the return journey to the wharf presents us with a grand finale that encapsulates the very essence of thrill-seeking in Queenstown. Our path leads us to an awe-inspiring sight. Two iconic bridges, standing together as twin sentinels guarding the entrance to our destination. These bridges, closely linked and sharing a history with the river below, are about to be the backdrop for our final act of exhilaration. With the engines revving in anticipation, our skilled captain navigates the boat with a deft hand, aligning us for what promises to be an unforgettable dash. The proximity of the bridges to each other adds an extra layer of excitement. We're not just passing under a bridge, we're threading the needle between two architectural marvels at once, a feat that showcases the precision of our navigation and the daring nature of this adventure. As we approach, the roar of the engines fills the air, a prelude to the adrenaline rush that awaits. The moment we enter the shadows of the two bridges, it's as if time slows down. The echo of the boat's engines bouncing off the concrete and steel structures creates a symphony of sounds, enhancing the sensory experience of this high-speed dash. The thrill of shooting through the narrow space between the river and the bridges, with the structures towering above us, is exhilarating. It's a moment that combines the thrill of speed with the beauty of engineering and nature, all set against the backdrop of Queenstown's stunning landscape. As we emerge on the other side, the sensation is akin to being shot from a cannon, emerging into the sunlight, hearts racing and spirits soaring from the sheer joy of the experience. As we race back to Queenstown, the adventure isn't over yet. Get ready for the final round of heart-stopping spins and the thrill of mastering the rough waves as we conclude our unforgettable ride. Thank you for joining us on this breathtaking jet boat adventure through Queenstown's most stunning rivers. For thrills, history, and unrivaled scenic views, it's an experience that truly has it all. Until we meet again, keep chasing the adventure.